Welcome to another lesson by Codeshala. Section 2, Lecture 3, Internet Technologies. The Internet is a worldwide arrangement of computer networks and computers. All computers connected to the Internet can interact with one another, giving various guidelines and protocols to be adhered to. Internet allows us to communicate with each other as well as connects us, giving us unlimited open source intelligence. Next up, we have Internet Service Provider and IP address. ISP or Internet Service Provider is a company which provides you with Internet access. A monthly fee is usually charged for this service. It provides you a user account which includes a username and a password. An example of an internet service provider in India would be Airtel and Jio, and for US it would be TNT Mobiles. Moving on to IP address. Internet Protocol address is a 32-bit number assigned to a computer by the ISP or the Internet Service Provider, which changes every time a computer comes on the Internet. This address tells the location of the computer on the net. Usually, it is written in this form: 109.108.158. Now, I'm going to tell you the difference between IP and MAC address. IP address identifies the location of the device on the net, while a MAC address or a media access control address identifies the device which is connected to the internet. IP address changes every time a computer comes on the internet, and MAC address cannot be changed manually. IPv4 is a 32-bit address, while IPv6 is a 128-bit address. MAC address of 48-bit hexadecimal address. IP address is assigned by the ISP providers, while the MAC address is assigned by the manufacturer of the NIC card. Now let's talk about the most used language in web designing: hypertext markup language. HTML is used to develop websites. It is a markup language which is used in processing definitions and presentation of text. Hypertext markup language has two parts. Firstly, structure. It is an important part of HTML and it is used to decide the layout of the web page. It is defined using tags. Example where a paragraph is placed. Secondly, presentation. This is the formatting style of the web page. Example that the color is applied to some text. Hypertext Transfer Protocol and Web Browsers. Hypertext Transfer Protocol is a set of rules that must be obeyed when transferring files across the internet. Whenever the site is secured by SSI encryption, you will see HTTPS or a padlock on the address bar. Web browser. Web browsers is a software which allows you to display a website. It interprets the HTML code and shows the result on your screen. A web browser also converts the URL in three parts, which is shown in the image. The first part is the protocol which is being used, and in this case, it is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. The second part is the web server's name, and the third part is the file name, often the web page. Thank you for listening.